In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Jumia. That is how to create a Jumia account. Now you need to, I think I have the Jumia app here on my iPhone, right? So you need to install the app to your device. So open up Jumia. If you love to create an account on Jumia, click on this. Wait for this to gradually load up, right? So once it has opened up, enter this. Click on the continue. Enter this. So even if you have created an account, just click on the login, right? You're going to be able to create an account for yourself. So you're going to receive a verification code, right? Yeah, so this is it. This is how you can create this. If you have not created your account before in the past, you're going to get a verification code to verify your account. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'm going to see you on the next video.